Introducing the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. We've got a 6.2 liter Ultimate here in the Denali trim level. So you've got your 22-inch wheels, 6.2 liter V8 power running boards. Things look amazing this year. So with your Denali Ultimate, you're gonna have your, like I said, 22-inch wheels and a lot of safety features that GMC came out with for 2019, including your forward vision camera, low speed automatic braking, lane keep assist, parking sensors, auto stop. You can control all of that from the entertainment system up front. Check out all these views they've got for the backup camera. Got a trailer from the front or the rear, you can see it. You can kind of see the size if you're getting close to something. Crazy all the features these things have. And then you put it in drive, got all these views from the front. Crazy. Then you've got your rear vision camera here in the mirror, trailer brake controller, wireless charger. This is a loaded one, so you know this one's got the sunroof. And you can see that heads-up display. It's pretty cool. You've got your heated rear seats there, and you can charge your phone or your iPad or whatever devices you may have. Of course, there's your Denali bed liner. Go ahead and cut these running boards on. See if this will do it. If you hit the side right here, they'll actually extend the running boards to the back. So if you want to reach up in and get something out of the truck bed, you can go ahead and do that, and then put them back when you're ready to get in the truck. I think that's really neat. Let's check out the power lift gate, or power tailgate, I'm sorry. And these things fold so many ways, it's crazy. If you want to, you can do all sorts of stuff with these. You've actually got two backup cameras. One, of course, your traditional one that's in the tailgate, and then you've got the one here in the third brake light, and that's the one that's for your rear view camera that's in the mirror. And there you have it. 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate.